Imagine an aircraft so powerful it can transport tanks into combat zones, deploy paratroopers at Mach 0.72, and evacuate hundreds from war zones. But today, Airbus revealed an impossible new role, turning this military titan into Earth's most powerful firefighter. Meet the Airbus A400M, a plane built for war, now repurposed to save lives in climate disasters. In this video, you'll discover the secret technologies making this firefighting role possible, why it threatens to obsolete every water bomber ever built, and how it's reshaping global defense, civil aviation, and emergency response strategy. Would you trust a military cargo plane to fight fires over your city? Tell me below. A400M origins. Europe's military giant Airbus A400M Atlas was Europe's answer to the C-130 Hercules and C-17 Globemaster Gap, a tactical lifter that could land on sand, grass, or snow with 37 tons of cargo. Specs: length, 45 meters, wingspan, 42.4 meters, engines, 4 Europrop TP400D6 turboprops, each producing 11,000 horsepower, cruise, Mach 0.72, range, 3,300 kilometers with max payload. Its 8-blade scimitar props provide unmatched short takeoff performance, and its pressurized cargo bay carries armored vehicles, helicopters, or 116 fully equipped troops. Overlay cutaway diagram of cargo hold, cockpit, and engine systems. Imagine owning a plane that carries tanks and fights fires, doubling taxpayer ROI with a single platform. The Impossible Firefighting Kit. In 2023, Airbus unveiled a roll-on/roll-off firefighting kit, capacity, 20,000 liters, 5,300 gallons, of water or retardant, drop time, less than 10 seconds, coverage, 400 meters by 160 meters, suppression zone, refillable from standard hydrants, installed via rear ramp with no aircraft modification. Fire emoji, impossibility claim. Unlike Canadairs with built-in tanks, the A400M's modular system can be removed in hours, reverting to cargo or medevac instantly. Could such huge drops damage forests or structures? What's your view? This flexibility gives governments triple justification: defense, humanitarian aid, and civil protection. Comparison overlay: A400M versus CL415 versus IL-76, drop tank capacity and coverage area. Real-world testing. Spain 2023. During tests in Spain, drops were conducted at 150 knots and 150 feet AGL. Full 20,000 liters released in under 10 seconds created a water curtain wider and longer than any water bomber in current service. Fire emoji, impossibility claim. Airbus claims its drop density outperforms the IL-76, the largest Russian firefighting aircraft, with 50% higher area coverage per liter. Would you prefer fewer massive drops or multiple smaller targeted passes? Share below. Think about firefighting budgets. Do you buy dozens of water bombers or upgrade existing military assets with modular kits? Geopolitical stakes, climate warfare, camera emoji, B-roll, Greek wildfires, Portuguese forests, burned homes. A400M deployment map overlays. Wildfires in Europe cost over €4 billion annually, with firefighting fleets aging rapidly. Canadairs are reaching end of life, and private companies struggle to maintain readiness. Impossibility claim. The A400M can deploy anywhere in Europe within 4 hours, carrying firefighting kit, ground crews, bulldozers for containment lines, humanitarian supplies, all in the same mission. Should NATO standardize the A400M as a shared emergency response fleet? Imagine voters knowing their military planes can save lives at home and defend abroad. Political gold. Map overlay with A400M coverage ranges. Wildfire hotspots blinking. NATO insignia fade in. Future tech, AI, night ops, and drones. Airbus plans future upgrades, AI drop optimization, real-time fire spread analysis, adjusting nozzle flow dynamically, nighttime firefighting, infrared and thermal sensors with terrain following radars, drone swarm integration, UAV scouts mapping fire edges ahead of drops. Fire emoji, impossibility claim. By 2030, Airbus envisions autonomous firefighting. A400MS flying into infernos too dangerous for human pilots. Would you trust AI-controlled planes to fight fires over cities? Why or why not? These upgrades create a new market segment: multi-role defense plus civil aircraft with AI-enhanced mission performance. Overlay drone plus plane plus AI integration, flowcharts, night vision, drop footage, concept animations. Financials matter. A400M unit cost: 150 to 200 million euros. Dedicated water bomber, CL415, 40 million euros. but carries only 6,000 liters IL-76 upgrade, 50 to 70 million euros per airframe for firefighting conversion. Impossibility claim. Airbus claims the A400M offers 5x cost efficiency per liter dropped, when factoring in multi-role flexibility and fleet rationalization. Should governments buy dedicated firefighting planes or multi-role aircraft like the A400M? Airbus marketing positions the A400M as the ultimate budget justification tool for finance ministries. Graph overlays of per liter drop cost, procurement costs, maintenance hours. Global competition: US, Russia, China. United States uses C-130 MOFs units with 11,000 liters capacity, less than half the A400M. Russia, IL-76 carries 42,000 liters but lacks short runway flexibility. China, developing MA-60F with 5,000 liters capacity, limited to regional coverage. Impossibility claim. No other country currently fields a plane matching the A400M speed, payload, and runway versatility combined with firefighting capacity. Will Europe's A400M become the NATO standard, or will US C-130 upgrades remain dominant? This global comparison reinforces Airbus' position as market leader in multi-role aerial firefighting. Comparison overlay: A400M versus C-130 versus IL-76 versus MA-60F. Drop capacity, range, runway requirements. The future of firefighting doctrine. The Airbus A400M is rewriting firefighting doctrine. Military-civilian integration for rapid response, dual-use justifications, boosting procurement, AI and drone integration, setting future standards. Impossibility claim. Airbus predicts its system will be standard across Europe by 2035, replacing legacy bombers entirely. Closing CTAs isn't just about firefighting. It's about a future where military assets protect lives as easily as they project power. But is the A400M the final answer? Or just the beginning of a new era of climate defense warfare? Subscribe for classified level aerospace and defense insights. Comment: would you fly in a firefighting mission aboard an A400M? Watch next: Lockheed C-130 Fire Hercules, the untold story of America's firefighting titan. Welcome back, aerospace insiders. Only this community gets these deep operational level breakdowns. Tag a friend who still thinks only Canadaires can fight fires. In tomorrow's deep dive, I'll reveal the secret upgrades Lockheed is developing for the C-130 Fire Hercules, and why it may still dominate despite Airbus' impossible new upgrade. Subscribe and stay ahead.